Hello folks, here's my latest creation. This is an alpha particle spark detector. Right, I'll run you through it from the back end, then I'll show you a little demonstration. Right, we'll start off this end with a bank of AA batteries, which equals to 12 volts DC, which goes into an inverter here. I actually salvaged this from a cold cathode light setup I got in the back of my computer. Yeah, so you have 12 volts DC going in and about 700 volts AC coming out this end. On this end we got it running through a voltage multiplier, which basically multiplies the voltage to crazy voltage the other end. And we probably got around 5 kV DC half wave going into the spark detector. Now how this works, it's anode cathode operation while speaking British language. Basically we got the the live side powering the little wires I got there, and there'd be about 3mm gap to the negative side, which is on this like copper plate underneath. The theory is that any alpha particles that would to be emitted close to this would ionise the air in between the anode and cathode and create a conductive path, which results in a nice spark. Right, alpha particle emitters. You shouldn't have to look very far. Most houses have got them. They're usually in smoke detectors, which is americium 241, which is an alpha particle emitter, as well as low energy gamma as the byproduct. Right, we plug it in and I'll show you how it works. Right, let's plug it in. Right, that's in, that's charged. So we've got about 5,000 volt potential between those two. Right, and over here I've got an americium sample there. So, there we go. And there you go. Alpha particles are two neutrons, two protons being ejected from a radioactive source, which is there. And I can hold my phone and show you that they're not, this paper will block them. I just have to take my word for that. I'm holding my phone at the moment. The paper will block them, so quite impressive, I think. Yeah, so there you go. It's a very good setup, give you a good understanding of a radioactive source such as alpha particle and what's happening. Obviously it's an ionising particle, alpha particle. And what's happening is ionising the oxygen atoms between the two gaps, and as it ionisation is when the alpha particle basically knocks in to the oxygen atom and turns the negative charged electrons into positive charged electrons, which we call ions, hence ionisation. And that's exactly what's happening there. It's creating an avalanche effect as it's going on. Yeah, and it won't work with any other metal. I'll just prove it with your bog standard spoon. I don't want to touch it because it'll probably kill me. There you go. So there you go. An alpha particle spark detector. You're probably going to say, what use has it got? It's probably got no use really, just it's a good apparatus to get a good understanding of alpha particles, and at the same time get a bit of an understanding of how electricity works from a 12 volt battery right through 5000 volt DC, this end. There you go.